Hi friends, today I am going to talk about rabbit. A rabbit is a small animal with long ears. It is popularly called as bunny. Eyes of a rabbit are for safety, which can move 360 degrees. They love to eat fruits, vegetables, and grass. They do not make much noise. The hind legs of rabbits are larger and have stronger muscles than their forelegs. Rabbits can live between 8 to 12 years. They are masters of hearing. Most rabbits can actually turn their ears 180 degrees. This rotation can pinpoint the exact location of sound. They need lots of space to stay healthy. They are very clean. Rabbits enjoy being around people and can usually recognize their owner by sight and sound. Rabbits have such strong legs that they can move as quickly as 50 miles per hour. All over the world, there are 305 species of domestic rabbits and 13 species of wild rabbits. A rabbit has the ability to swallow food and at the same time smell its predator through the nose. Rabbits can jump as high as 10 feet when they see another rabbit. Thank you for watching Animal Kingdom. Please subscribe the channel, like, comment and share.